Hey folks, welcome to my learning center. So it's time to talk about what kind of a leader are you? Anybody who is willing to follow your lead is a leader. Even if it's just a single individual who follows your example and encouragement, you may still be a role model and a source of inspiration for others. Managing people is one of the most challenging duties a leader must perform. But leadership can take many different shapes. It refers to coordinating and inspiring the actions of people to accomplish a common goal. To achieve this aim, a leader must first establish it and then win the consent of others to be guided by and work towards it. A leader's leadership style is frequently influenced by his or her own personality and motivational principles. The way they lead and interact with others is heavily influenced by their own personality quirks. It's been centuries since people have studied personality traits in depth, and there's a great deal of consensus on the results. According to Linda Burns and Don Lowry, there are a variety of distinct sorts of personalities that can be classified based on the colors they represent. In order to be an effective leader, each personality type possesses unique strengths and abilities. In any case, every type of leadership can benefit enormously from drawing on the strengths and traits of other forms of leadership. In order to be a successful manager, you need to have an extremely strong gold personality type. As a leader, they set high standards for themselves and their employees. They are motivated by the conviction that the job is vital and must be done correctly in order to be successful. There are few new ideas that gold leaders will accept until they have been proved to succeed in the past. Individuals with strong blue personalities are driven by a strong sense of community and a devotion to the people involved. Workers and team members are valued in their management style, which is based on the democratic approach. They have the power to inspire people by providing a clear vision. The powerful green leadership style also recognizes the big pictures as well as the complexity of the details. Strategy is a strong suit of green leaders. They apply their intelligence, ingenuity, and design to the position of leadership. They spend a lot of time studying and analyzing facts and concepts in order to find ways to work smarter rather than harder. In the eyes of the Green Party's leader, facts and information are more essential than feelings and connections. It's all about getting things done for Orange's leaders. The purpose of administration and organization is to provide framework for taking action. They are great at finding solutions to problems. The orange leader is a role model who sets the bar high for others who follow in his or her footsteps. Those in management positions of orange can be dictatorial and abrupt, as they are impatient with dissent and demand their orders to be followed. All orange leaders are open to change, thinking that the old ways can always be improved upon. In the orange personality, a new endeavor is an opportunity for adventure, a challenge, and an opportunity for pleasure. All four personality types are present in every leader, but one is stronger and more natural than the rest of the group. The style of a leader may also be a combination of their major strength and their second most important style. A savvy leader knows the strengths and weaknesses of their own leadership style and makes use of team members with varying styles to provide a more efficient and well-balanced approach to achieving a common goal. Thank you very much for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, my learning center.